Satyam CEO Ramalingam Raju's arrest is likely a technical arrest. Rather, police may file a suo motu case against him after he committed to fraud of about 7,000 crore rupees in his company, mounting pressure on the AP government. Sources say the arrest will have to be a political decision. We're expecting a statement to come out from the AP government really later in the day, and the Congress, of course, has to decide what to do. Meanwhile, the police can take a suo motu case till a criminal case is filed. A technical arrest is what we're expecting. Adanya, what does the technical arrest really mean as far as Ramalingam Raju's case is concerned?
Well, this means that the police can go ahead and place him on arrest. They don't have to technically take him or lodge him in a jail, but they can instead take him to a safe house and then keep him there for questioning and say that he's being kept in this place, he's basically under our custody. That's what a technical arrest means. Now, Niharika, the whole story today is that the Andhra Pradesh government is on extreme, incredible pressure from all quarters to do something about Ramalingam Raju, because yesterday the signal has come very clearly from the central government that it is for the Andhra Pradesh government to decide. The Minister for Corporate Affairs, P.C. Gupta, they're going on record saying that the call has to be taken by the Andhra Pradesh government. Now, the police as such on record and off record are not ready to say too much. In fact, till yesterday it was being maintained by the police sources, even by the DGP of Andhra Pradesh, that a case will not be filed only on the basis of the confessions of Ramalingam Raju. But today what we've been told is that if no criminal case is filed by an investor, a shareholder, or even an employee of the company, then the police, under pressure from the government, can even go ahead and take a suo motu case, because after all this is a white collar offence of course a great magnitude. So what we've been told today is that YSR Reddy will have to take a call on it. Its decision depends on that one man today, whether he decides or not. Likely that he will make a decision today itself, and the arrest is imminent, Niharika.